Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a string questions that is a write a Java program to check character is a vowel or consonant. So, before wasting the time, let's solve these problems. So, first of all, we have to need a scanner over here. So we'll take the input dynamic. That's the reason we just take the scanner over here and the name of the scanner, whatever you want, you can take it. I just take scan. Okay. Then you create the scanner and the constructor of the scanner class. Okay. So this is the scanner class constructor. So might be people confused what is this. SCA double N, yeah. Okay. Scanner and then system dot in. Okay, and end with semicolon. So people might be thinking that this is a same as the scanner, but it's not. The after new whatever the name of the object is considered as a constructor, and this side is considered as a class. That means this is the class, and this one is a constructor of the class. Okay, then just move to the next line and just this out and just print into an alphabet. Okay, character, character, and then just need one cap, just a cap ch is equal to scan dot next dot caret. Okay, okay, yeah. So I just take this char ch variables, which is by using this, we just have to take the input by this char ch. Okay, and to getting input for that, we just need a scan dot next input coming from the scanner class. Okay, and then the our logic is here. So first of all, we'll directly check that if okay if ch is greater than is equal to a and and ch of less than is equal to z. That means this is the range we have to check that is that a vowel or consonant. And then the our logic inside of this if block, the if will check ch. If you remember, the for vowel means what are the vowel in the grammar. The vowel is basically vowel is a A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So we can just check the if the A, E, I, O, U that is a vowel. If it's not, then it will be a consonant. So let's CH is equal to A. Okay. First conditions or any one of the true. For that reason, we just need a OR operator over here. CH is equal to A, E, then again OR operator, and CH is equal to A, E, I, and then CH is equal to Q. We just take that much of here. And if it's true, just this out CH plus E is vowel. Vowel. Okay. Okay. Go inside of this single quote. Okay. Yeah. So after this, else what you have to do? Else just do simple thing. Sys out Sys out ch plus plus operator to concatenate with the string is a consonant. 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 Okay. Then again we just need one more else inside outside this if block. Okay. Else what sys out sys uh sys will be sys out invalid input. Invalid input. Okay. Please please enter an alphabet character. Okay, if in some cases the people can enter the star or the another special characters. That reasons we also need the else block. So that's check the system dot order enter invalid input and please enter the alphabet vector. Okay, almost our program is done over here, and let me run it. And don't worry, we just check what we're getting. The exception is thread main Java total language unsolved compiler that cannot be resolved as variables. Okay, so here the Z is not inside the single quotes. That's why. Okay, now we'll check it in the range. Okay, enter the alphabet character. Let's take A. Okay, and see A is a vowel. Okay, let's take add. Okay, for that again we have to run it. Let's take H and enter. H is a consonant. Run it again and check 5. Check 5, enter the invalid input. Please enter an alphabet character. One more thing, you might be wondering what was that. What if you're typing the capital A and run it and enter it? See, invalid input. Please enter alphabet characters. So why we are getting the alphabet character of the the capital A is ASCII value is different as compared to a small a. The small character value is different, and the capital alphabet is different ASCII values. For that reasons, we need one more logic here. Just come here and if just take if ch of greater than is equal to double quotes, sorry, a single quote A is and operators, the both should be true, and less than is equal to capital that in the single quote is true, then what you have to do? Just ch is equal to use the cascade operator, that char is converted to the uh, char, ch here, char, and then you convert it to ch plus to the ASCII values of the double characters. And why? The operator and is undefined in the argument type tutorial. Okay. CH is greater than is equal to A and CH is less than is equal to Z. So CH is equal to char of CH plus 32. The ASCII converts. Okay. Okay. Here we did not take that CH over here. That's why. Okay. Now it's running fine. Let me check. Now it's working fine or now. Let's take H over here. So H is a consonant. What if we'll take a capital H over here? Let me see the invalid. Please enter an alphabet. Why? Our logic is right. Mhm. Okay, okay. Yes, CH plus 32 is the ASCII values. Okay. Now we'll check H. Okay, capital H. See, H is a consonant. We're getting the values what we want now. What if we'll take a capital A over here and enter? A is a vowel character. That means our program is working fine. And I know you also know that the string program is very interesting as compared to arrays because we will we will deal with the lots of thing in the string. The all over the code is based on the string, and much of the time you use the only string. So don't worry about it. I will also launch the video of string concept, which is very important. Like if you remember the array, you use that this heap area to store the address. But in the string, the beauty of a string is have two memories. First is the heap area, and second one is something else. I will not tell you. You just search in a Chrome and will tell me is what is the second memory of the string. So that's all about in these videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day